Welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about how to make the person you love regret losing you. It can be difficult to live a life without love, but sometimes love can be exploited and overstepped. If you feel like the person you love is manipulating you, or you just want them to feel sorry for your loss, this video is for you. One, test your true worth. The first step to making the person you love regret losing you is to test your true worth. The person you love may not appreciate you as much as you deserve, or may be playing with your feelings. Therefore, you must acknowledge your true worth and make sure that you are worthy of love and respect. 2. Move away from the person in question. If you feel that the person you love is playing with your feelings, the solution may be to stay away from them. Being away may cause you to lose touch with the person, but this can help you heal and focus on yourself and your true value. 3. Get busy with other things. If you want to make the person you love regret losing you, it might be helpful to get busy with other things. You can take care of your work or do new and interesting activities. This can help you focus on yourself and your worth, and it may make the person you love jealous and make them realize your worth. 4. Be independent. It can also help to be independent and not be completely dependent on the person you love. You can do your own thing and make the right decisions about your life. This can make the person you love realize that you don't fully need them, and may make them regret losing you. 5. Don't beg. If you feel like the person you love doesn't value you as much as you deserve, don't beg them to come back to you. You must be assertive and know your true worth. If the person you love wants to come back to you, they should value and respect you. 6. Maintain dignity. Ultimately, you must maintain dignity and respect for yourself. If the person you love doesn't value you as much as you deserve, then they aren't worth your time and effort. This may be difficult to achieve, but when you maintain dignity, the person you love will respect you more and regret your loss. In short, making the person you love regret your loss takes a lot of patience, firmness, and acknowledgement of your true worth. You must maintain dignity and know that you are worthy of love and respect. It may be hard to achieve this, but when you manage it, the person you love will realize your true value and regret your loss.